Managing your laundry business with paper tags, registers, and messy spreadsheets? Lost items, billing mistakes, and delays slowing you down? Stop this mess and switch to Xform Laundry Management Software, your all-in-one digital solution to simplify and automate laundry operations. Manage orders, track garments, handle customers, and generate invoices instantly, all from one smart dashboard. Automate tag and label printing with barcode tracking. No more lost clothes. No more manual errors. Get powerful reports, real-time insights, and complete control over your business while saving time and increasing profits. Transform your laundry business today with Xform Technologies. Smart software for smart laundry owners. Book a free demo today. Visit our website www.xform.in. Call us 9356260024. Thanks for watching.